This is my journey to Peshawar, one of the most notorious cities in Pakistan. Not far from Osama bin Laden's compound in Abbottabad, where he was eventually killed, Peshawar is the birthplace of the terrorist group Al-Qaeda and a city in which the UK government advises against all travel. So we're now in Peshawar and we're going to go explore some bazaars. There's a chance I'm speaking now and no one's ever going to hear it because I don't know if I'm going to be able to film anything. Some of these bazaars can be quite dangerous. There's some dangerous activities going on, maybe some dangerous people. We're going to be very careful about what we film, and there's a chance I film nothing. So I'm talking to no one right now. But hopefully we can meet some nice people, see what they're up to. Hopefully they'll let us film. We will see. Well, this is the car park of the Carano Bazaar. But let's go see the bazaar. Let's see if we can film. It seems pretty sketchy, I'll be honest, but hopefully it's not. Unfortunately, nothing yet. It's all a bit normal. Just love eating the food here in Pakistan. And this looks absolutely incredible. They've got a huge, I don't know what you'd call it, dish. Frying dish. Shukran. This is a thick naan bread. It's very good. Very good taste. This food is delicious. But something I'm enjoying even more is the layout of the place. It's very communal. People just sitting on little stools. It's very local. You know, it's really about community here. Last piece. This has been amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh, so good. Well, we've found a very small shop where I've been given a gun. So we've got a gun here. This is an M20. There's more. Okay, the terrifying is he gives you guns by pointing them straight at your chest. So that's interesting. This one is incredibly heavy. We've got a Beretta here. So that's a Beretta. You can tell I don't hold guns. But here's the Beretta. How much is this one?
Price? This is my gift.
35,000 rupees. So like $50 for. I mean, this is an American Beretta. That's crazy. Who buys these? This is, I mean, it's pretty, to me this is pretty crazy. We've also got, put this here. So we've also got a load of ammo. This one I do recognize is for the AK-47, and actually a lot of them aren't real. They're made in Dara and they are cheap knockoffs. But wow, so this all comes from Afghanistan. It's
Russian, Pussy.
also coming from Russia. Wow, amazing, very nice. You have big gun. You have AK-47. He's saying maybe. He sent his errand boy to go and have a look. Shukran, shukran.
Muslim.
Muslim? Ah, no. Sorry. Okay, right, I'm taking the gun now. This is so big and heavy. Like this. So what's the name of the gun? P5?
M4.
M4, okay. We got an M4 here. I mean, this is amazing. Wow. The problem is, now this picture of me is going to ruin any political career I might have. Now I can no longer be Prime Minister. Wow, amazing. And the price?
Price 6 lakh.
Okay, we've just been told we're in a dangerous area and we need to leave immediately, so that's what we'll be doing. Okay, we're back in the car. I don't know what just happened, and he just suddenly goes, he says we're in a danger zone and we need to leave immediately. I'm in danger. So now we're back in the car, safely in the car, but he was still trying to like force green tea, mutton and hashish on us as we were trying to leave, so I don't know. Anyway, the good news is we're out of the danger zone, sort of. Right, so we're still on the borderline, so that's good to know. With a heavy police presence who wouldn't take kindly to a foreigner taking videos, I hid my camera as we re-entered the safe zone. So are we in the safe zone now? Oh, not yet. We're not in the safe zone yet. We're in safe zone? Okay. Whew, well, that was interesting. Very interesting. And just on the other side of Peshawar, we've stumbled into an animal market. Lots of sheep, goats, cows. Go see the goats. They're so cute.
This one.
Wow. What is the price?
Price? Price was just
35,000. So that's $50? Wow, $50 for a goat.
Peshawar, Carano market.
Wow. What the likes the hat on.
Yes, sir.
Very, very beautiful goats. They want a video?
Yeah.
Say hello. Oh wow. So these goats are about $50 US if I decide I want to leave Pakistan with a goat. Okay, it's a bit gruesome around here. I've just seen a Wow. There's a yeah. There's a head over there on the floor. The kids think it's really funny that I'm quite turned off by seeing that. Quite squeamish from seeing that. The kids, they're all laughing. Very funny. Okay, we can go this way. That was really quite something. I mean, I get it. It's life, but it's still pretty shocking to see. Wow, very hairy. Wow, mountain goat. Amazing. Excellent. And the cows? Yes. Yes. Wow. I'm not quite sure what's happening here. We're just seeing some of the animals in this animal bazaar. Here's the cows. The kids are having a great time looking at me, thinking that I'm thinking this is crazy. I guess it's not here. It is completely normal. This is an animal bazaar. People come here to buy animals, and often just telling me that they sell cows by the leg, actually, not really by the whole cow. And as such, there's a lot of parts of animals around here. And it freaks me out, especially seeing a decapitated head, but that is life here. Ah, black sheep. Okay, thank you. Which way? This way? I think we've probably seen enough of the animal market. I think it's actually sketched me out more than the gun shop. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.